Hey, so in this video I'm going to use artificial intelligence to come up with quotes that I'm going to use to make money for Valentine's Day with print on demand. That was a mouthful, but let's dive right in. So first, go to chat.openai.com. You have to create an account. I would just create a legit one because I think they're keeping track of things. Fun fact about this place, I heard that every query costs them 0.0003 cents. And apparently they're burning about $3 million per hour to run this site right now. So thank God for venture capital, which is running it. I'm saying that because if I start doing this and it times out on me, which it has been doing a lot lately because so many people are on this site, that's why. So first off, let's go down here and say something like, we need quotes, right? So let's say, write a greeting card to my wife, to a wife, I'll say, to a wife from their husband that is sentimental. And let's see what they come up with. So you can see what I'm doing right now. Nothing. I'm just watching this computer program create message cards for me because the greeting card format is to my blank, sentimental quote, love blank. And I've been teaching this forever. I've been doing this forever. So now I just got, dear wife, I just wanted to take a moment to tell you how much you mean to me. From the moment we first met, I knew you were the one for me. Your kindness, your beauty, your love have brought so much joy and happiness into my life. That's one right there. That's a message card. Second one, I'm so grateful to have you by my side, and I'm so blessed to call you my wife. I love you more and more every day, and I'm so thankful for all that you do for me and for our family. That's number two. Number three, you are my rock, my support, my everything. I love you with all my heart, and I always will. With love and gratitude, your husband. So that's good. I got three. Let's do another one. See what else they come up with. And oh, what I should have done, and I didn't, I should have copied those onto my sheet, which I'm going to do this time. Because if you're not putting them into like your research sheet, then you're not going to be able to actually go and create those message cards that you can use with a lot of companies. And I'm going to be focusing on a company that just got into the message card business, but I'll be doing a lot with them. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to create a Google Sheet, which is free. And we're going to call this one Valentine's Day Message Card Quotes generated by artificial, did I spell that right? Intelligence. All right, so here's a quote. So we will go here. And let's go like this. Let's go niche quote, like so. So this is going to be to my wife, and the quote is going to be here. Let's go back here and grab it. So I just break these up. So I'm just going to start here, and then I'll pull that in here, and I'm going to paste special, values only. There you go. So now in my sheet I've got, I just wanted to take a moment to tell you how much you mean to me. You are my rock, my partner, and my best friend. I'm so grateful to have you by my side, and so lucky to call you my wife. That looks like a winner to me. So I'm going to put to my wife, that, love your husband. There's one message card. Let's go back here. Let's get number two. I haven't even read these, but I already know they're good. And if you sit here and struggle with coming up with message card quotes, you no longer need to. So another shortcut is Control-Shift-V. It'll paste it as special. Paste special, values only is Control-Shift-V on your keyboard. I'm on a PC. I don't know about a Mac, but this one says, you've brought so much joy and love into my life. I'm so grateful for all you do for our family. You're an amazing mother, wife, and friend, and I'm so blessed to have you in my life. Love your husband. Two done. Super easy. I love this. So let's go get a third one. Let's say this. Doot, doot. And then I'll just go to my wife and Control-Shift-V. There. I love you more and more each day. I'm so thankful for the love and support you give me. Here's to many more years of love, laughter, and happiness together. All right, so let's say that's great. I can use that for Valentine's Day, but I could also use that year round. So let's go back here and go write a Valentine's Day greeting card to a wife from their husband that is funny. Let's try this. Because you can do sentimental and you can do funny, and they both work. So some people will only buy like sentimental stuff, and other people only buy funny stuff. So so it's either thinking or it's going to time out. There we go. Now when I'm doing message cards, I like to do evergreen ones. So the first ones I did were evergreen, but you could, in your text or in your ad copy, you could say it's just for Valentine's Day, but it's actually an evergreen quote. These ones, you could put more like, Happy Valentine's Day, to my dear wife, Happy Valentine's Day, blah, 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 love your husband. That's fine. So let's go here, take number 1. And apparently I got like 4 out of this one. So let's go back here. Let's go to my wife. And Control-Shift-V. Happy Valentine's Day. I just wanted to let you know how much I love you, even though you're always right and I'm always wrong. Seems legit. Let's go grab the other one. And again, I can show you how to make these into message cards as well in another video. But right now, Control-Shift-V, we're just doing the quotes. So, you are the peanut butter to my jelly, the mac to my cheese, the yin to my yang. Without you, my life would be incomplete. So, not super funny, kind of cheeseball, but that's fine. And if you want, you could put all 4 of these on one card as well. I don't like to, because I like to have the text be a little bit bigger. To my wife, Control-Shift-V. I know I don't always show it, but I appreciate everything you do for our family. You are the glue that holds us all together, and I'm lucky to have you by my side. Boom, there you go, nice. As well as this one. Let's grab that. And let's go to my wife. Control-Shift-V. So here's to another year of arguing whose turn it is to take out the trash, negotiating who gets to control the TV remote, and trying to outdo each other with cheesy pickup lines. I love you now and forever. So I've got, what's that? 7 right there. Now, if I wanted, I could expand on these quite a bit. I could take these and I could go to like rewrite programs that are out there, and I could plug these all in and I could come up with even more. So I'll just show you an example of that. If I take this one, and then I go to a place like, I think it's called, there's a few of them. I don't know if I have to pay for this one. I don't think I do. Here it is. Accept, okay. Paste text. Oops, okay. Paraphrase. So what it did was it took my phrase and it changed it to just a little note to let you know how much you mean to me, which is different than that. You're my partner, my greatest friend, and my rock. I am so happy to have you as my wife, and I'm so grateful to have you by my side. Okay, so let's take that and go copy, and I can take it over here, and I can say, okay, let's insert another one, and I'll just put this right here. And now, I could go back through all of these, and I could easily create 10, and why don't I do that? So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so let's do 2 more. So let's copy this one, go here, let's go Control A, oops. Here's the second one, let's let them paraphrase it. So all they're doing is rewriting it for me. So I'm using AI on GPT, as well as Quillbot in this case. And what they come up with is, you have filled my life with so much love and joy, and I'm incredibly appreciative of everything you do for our family. You are a wonderful wife, mother, friend, and I feel very fortunate to have you in my life. So, boom, copy. Go back here. Let's put that right below the other one. Control Shift V to my wife. And let's do one more. Let's take, well, might as well keep going down the line. Take this one, and we'll do another paraphrase of this. Now, if you wanted to get real fancy, you could start paraphrasing your paraphrases, and you come up with even more and more and more. So what they did with this one, okay, I don't know what that is. So I love you more, they changed it to, I'm very grateful for the love and support you offer me, and I love you more and more every day. We wish you many more years of love, joy, and laughter. Let's change that to I instead. There. So you probably should be reading these just to make sure they make sense from a grammar point of view. But let's go insert this one and Control Shift V. So in about 10 minutes, I came up with 10 quotes that I can create message cards from that are to my wife, sentimental or funny quote, love your husband, and I didn't write a single one of them. So there's really no excuses to not pump out hundreds and thousands of these message cards now. There's even companies now that are coming out, getting into this line of business that I'm going to show you that do this. You don't have to use the same old companies that you used in the past. There's new ones, so you can actually get new pieces of jewelry. And if you're wondering what a message card is, I've got them somewhere in here. It's like a, hang on one sec. So here's an example. I'll show you this. I don't know if you can see that. From one company, and it's a box, and it's just got a card. This is a to my daughter one. And you can see there's a nice necklace in it as well. And it is like a clamshell box. So this is what I'm talking about creating and selling. And this is from Shine On, but there are companies like Gear Bubble, and there's another company, Awkward Styles, that does these as well. And so the beauty of having new companies come in doing all this stuff is that you get new jewelry. So that was a interlocking heart, which is a very popular model, but you can get other ones. So I'm going to be talking more about this on my channel. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want to see me create one of these into a message card, into a design, I'd be happy to do that for you. Just let me know in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.